Hello and welcome, Greg here from Stafford Land Rover dealership, showing you today this lovely looking and approved used Land Rover Range Rover Evoque here in the D200 dynamic HSE trim and finished in stunning Carpathian grey metallic colour. Before we continue, make sure to check out the description below as it contains a number of factory fitted extras on this vehicle. In the front you enjoy these stylish looking LED headlights in the front with signature daytime running lights, whilst around the side upgraded 21-inch gloss black alloy wheels will finish off the look. In the rear the story is no different with signature shaped slimline LED taillights to give you a Range Rover distinctive look. Boot space is absolutely cavernous here with power tailgate offering plenty of storage solutions for your shopping, as well as there is also a liftgate available and a retractable tow bar for those needing it. Inside the cabin, ebony black leather upholstery will grace the interior with its comfort and stylish looks, all underneath the guise of this fixed panoramic roof. Whilst in the front there are decorative door and dash inserts and upgraded front sport seats that will really hug you in and offer full electric adjustment as well. The driver can look forward to operating this leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel which is heated, as well as paddle shifts for a dynamic drive and this interactive driver display digital dashboard. The PV Pro connected services offer twin menu functions and there's plenty to enjoy. Two-zone climate control with heated front windscreen and rear ones is available, along with selectable all-wheel drive mode to give you grip all year round. Built-in sat-nav can be displayed simultaneously on both systems, and there is even FM and DB digital radio available. But that's not all. Both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto projections are available, and for extra comfort, heated front seats with 3-state setting are also on offer. A number of active safety systems will scan the road ahead to protect you and your occupants, and helping you park is a review camera of wide-angle lens fully supported by front and rear sensors. Down below you also find a wireless induction charger for a compatible device, and overhead there are easy controls to operate the electric sunshade blind, revealing that stunning sunroof. This has been a presentation of the approved used Land Rover Range Rover Evoque that is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today.